Hey gorgeous, I hope you're having a lovely day. Today's video, you see in the title, you know exactly what we're gonna be talking about. I'm gonna be reviewing the Ciaté new Smiley collection. Love a simple packaging, love it is 100% recyclable, very important. I did the same thing with my b.u.beauty boxes, all recyclable. We love our planet, right? Alright, so this Ciaté collection, I got a lot of goodies in here. So think without any further ado, let's check what we have and try it all, right? Energy Boost Energizing Hydrogel Under Eye Patches. Smiley World. Ciaté Smiley World. I love this packaging. So I think let's start from this. Let's just open this up. It comes 6 in a pack. Wait till you're gonna see a packaging. I mean, it's super cute. How cute is that? That looks cute. I love it. It's cruelty free and vegan. It's pet approved. The instructions on how to use says cleans and ensure the skin is completely dry, remove patches from a sealed sachet and peel away backing film. Leave for 15-20 minutes, remove patches and gently massage any excess serum into skin. No need to rinse. Ooh, this feels nice, you guys. Another thing we have in here is the Wing On 4-shade eyeshadow palette. Oh my god, this is so cute, you guys, don't you think? We got the smiley face on the mirror as well. So I think without any further ado, let's create a simple eyeshadow look with this, right? So we got 4 shades. Let's do a little swatch, right? So got the lighter shade. Oh, okay, it's not as light as I thought it's gonna be. Golden shade, smiley one. This looks so pretty. Super pigmented, like a pinky shade. By the way, all 4 shades are shimmers. Very pigmented. And then a purple shade. Oh, okay. That is mega pigmented, you guys. Infused with mood-enhancing poppy extract and energizing cacao butter. Okay, that's interesting. Achieve multiply looks with these high-intensity complementing shades. Okay, so the eyelids are prepped and primed. Let's go with this super cute eyeshadow palette. I love these eye patches as well. It feels very nice, actually. It's very nice. I don't even know how to explain. So for the eyeshadow, because it shimmers and I have hooded eyes, I think I'm just gonna try and go maybe with this golden shade because I really like, and then outer corners with this like purple-ish shade. For the brush, I'm gonna go with b.u.beauty Universal Base Brush. I'm gonna start from like close to the lash line and then kind of blend this through so it's not as intense. Love how this brush picks up the pigment. I'm just adding closer to the lash line, like in the middle of the lid, and then what's left, using the same brush, I'm blending upwards. That's it. You know what is good about these eye patches? If you have any fallouts, it's just gonna land on this, so once you're gonna take it off, you don't need to clean up any fallouts. That's perfect, isn't it? Okay, so next thing what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the eyeliner. I don't have the Ciaté eyeliner, so I'm just gonna use the Mina 900, which is 24-hour wear eyeliner. And gonna go with a simple wing. Eyeliner is on. I'm thinking for the next step, I really want to try this purple shade, so I'm just gonna go with purple shade on the outer corners. So for that, I'm gonna use Densia brush. This one is Precise Shadow by b.u.beauty. Comes in a the Essentials Ice Kit. So I'm basically placing it just above the wing that I did just now, and then buffing inwards. Next thing I'm gonna do quickly, I'm gonna apply the mascara, the one that I have from my previous Ciaté haul. This one is called the Wonderband Mascara, you guys. I've been using this one daily. This is my absolute go-to mascara. I'm just gonna go with this mascara quickly. And then we're gonna work with this colorful mascara that we have. Because why not, right? Okay, mascara is on. Let's remove the patches so I can do the face makeup. They say to keep patches for like 10-15 minutes. I did this eye makeup way much faster. It wasn't 10-15 minutes, so I'm not keeping it for that long, but let's just pretend I did this time. So I can do my face and then we can try the rest of the goodies I have in here. Ooh. That was oddly satisfying. It has this gel in here, like on this side of the patch. I don't know if I showed this before. Oh, my skin feels very moisturized. Okay, I'm gonna quickly do the face, foundation, contour, and so on, and then come back to use these colorful mascaras and lippies. So as I mentioned, I have two mascaras. These are the color mascaras, so we call it Keep an Eye On. Love it. Colored mascara and tip topper. I got two shades. I got the Be Happy and Be Brave, which I love, with mood boosting, happy and energizing cacao extract, high intensity color. Let's just open up and see how this looks. Let's see the green one first. Ooh, that is rather intense, isn't it, guys? And then a pink one. I think we should use this one today. Okay, so before I'm gonna use this, I'm gonna apply a little bit of the eyeshadow on the lower lash line from this Wink On eyeshadow palette. I just love it. So I'm gonna go for this pinky shade. I'm gonna use the same precise shadow brush by b.u.beauty that I used before. Okay, let's go into this mascara. Oh, keep an eye on mascara and Be Brave. I really like this. Okay, wow. Okay, so I got a few more items, a lippy and a lip balm. Lip balm in b.u. Ooh, love it, b.u. Hello, b.u. So lip balm in b.u. and the lipstick in Be Kind. So lip balm is called the Smooth On. So b.u. Look at this. Oh my god. I just hope you guys are able to see the pattern on this. Look how pretty is that? Can you see this, guys? Can you see a little smiley faces on? We have to try, right? Oh, it feels so good. My lips are super chapped now, so this is like perfect. Oh my god. Okay, love this. Loving this. Has no smell whatsoever. And if you follow my channel, you probably guys know that I prefer no smell rather than some kind of irritating smell, especially sitting under the nose. So this is just perfect for me, actually. Oh, this is so nice. Let's try the lippy. I'm sure the lippy will be even prettier. So the lip is called Smile On Demi Shine Lipstick in Be Kind. Ooh, love the packaging. Okay, ready. I mean, is that not the prettiest lipstick ever? How gorgeous is that? I don't want to even try this because it's just so pretty. It's like my perfect nude shade. See guys, such a gorgeous color, isn't it? Love, loving this. Oh my god, you guys. And the look is complete using Ciaté London and Smiley World collab. I mean, all the products. The most I'm actually surprised is the color mascaras. I mean, I didn't use the green one, which is called b.u. I only used the pink one, the Be Brave, and I love it. Love it. Oh, I'm surely gonna be creating some Halloween looks using these mascaras because I just have to. Do you guys agree? Leave a comment down below, let me know. So what do you think of this makeup look that I just created? So what I think of this Ciaté London x Smiley World collaboration. You see me trying all this for the very first time. I haven't, you know, tried any, swatch anything prior filming these videos. I want it to be, as always, proper like first impressions review video for you guys. As you know, I'm always super honest with all my reviews, no matter if it's sponsored, gifted, or anything. So far, from all the Ciaté products that I ever tried in my life, this mascara is absolute go-to. This Wonderband Mascara, you guys. need to try this. This is what I'm wearing now every single day. All my posts on Instagram, my stories and so on. This is a mascara I have on. I mean, look at the length of my lashes. This collaboration, the eyeshadow palette, this is the cutest little thing. Definitely gonna be using because the shades are popping. Like, it looks amazing, I think. Colorful mascaras definitely need to create some Halloween looks. If you think the same, leave a comment down below, let me know, because I think that will just look perfect, you know, for Halloween looks. Lipstick and lip balm, oh my god, this lipstick is like the most perfect, is that the word? The most perfect nude shade. The lip balm felt amazing. The energizing boost eye patches, oh my god, these felt so nice under the eyes, so hydrating. Yeah, I think this is what you need if you don't sleep well at night and you just need a bit of ooft, you know, in the morning to make you look fresh. This is perfect, and it's perfect while you do makeup. Any fallouts, anything, you just done. Humongous thumbs up from me for this collection. Let me know if this video was helpful, if you would like to see more similar like review slash tutorial videos, or I should do more like trendy makeup looks or more vlogs. So yeah, anything you want to know, leave a comment down below, let me know what you vibe, and I'll make sure to film the video. As always, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to press a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, super important part. I know I mention this all the time, but it's just so important. Thank you so much for watching, have a fantastic day, and I shall see you very soon. Bye, have a good one.